Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Today, I lost $2,660 trading, which is not great. I did it over 3 trades. I'm about to recap those trades for you. So sit back and relax, enjoy the stream cap. Ranging out yesterday, ranging out in the overnight session. Really, we're just looking at the value rotations. So pre-market analysis, we got overnight highs at 164, overnight lows at 971. Yesterday's value area low at 27, value area high, top of the range, 20 basically. We'll call it magical 20s. The way that I'm thinking about trading this is watching for the rotations. If we get a strong push out at 20, then I'm watching for the overnight highs at 164 for a clean break above, and then potential come back down for the retest of the prior high or value area high for the continued move to the upside if buyers look really good. If sellers look really good, then I am looking for a break of value area low at 20, we'll call it. Looking for the push down into 970, and it's the exact same situation. Look for the retest of either the high, depending on how far we crash through. Retest of the high, or a retest of the prior low, or a retest of the red line. There you go. See what happens at 110 to 120. If we get a point and control flip up there, might be worth a short. Nas ripping out. Had no problem with 110, 120 so far. All right, 164 overnight highs. Looking like it's trying to get pressed here. Buyers look good. Really nice move there. That's what, 100 points? Over 100 points, top to bottom. 140, 30 points. Not bad. Pulling back a little bit. We got 15 seconds left till this candle closes. All right, so candle closing. The pullback into 115, 120 range would be kind of what we were talking about pre-market. ES kind of struggling to really tap new highs here. Made it by a tick or so. Nas got some sellers trying to come through. I'm going to take a short here. I'm going to keep it fairly tight because I do think we could push, but this looks pretty pulley to me on the ES. Nas a little heavy, not too heavy. So I took a short at volume, point of control, which is near the highs on the day. Looking at the 120-ish exit. Nice push. It's like very quick little rebound for about almost 30 points. Got some buyers trying to come through. ES trying to push. Might have to kill this trade. ES making new highs. If we tap new highs, I'll be out of this. And I'm out. It's minus 455 to start the day. I think I was up $300 or so. Right around 31. We ended up holding the little short-term bottom of this range. Tap, tap. It's just like easy support, honestly. I thought we were going to get the continued flush down into the 20s. But we bounced very hard off it and basically went and tapped a baby high. I got stopped out. We made a high by a tick. I got stopped out by a tick, and we're flushing off of it. I say this often, and I'll say it again. It takes talent. Talent to get that type of stop out exit. Very few people were able to achieve this just now. Very few. That was one of them. I'm trolling myself, by the way. All right, a little heavy here off the open. Watch for 115, 120. Original trade would have played out had I not top ticked my exit on the stop loss. Coming into yesterday's value area high in the 20s. Trying to get a little bit of a bid up on both. 115 yesterday's value area high. VWAP sitting at 91. A little delta divergence there. So the reason I'm long right now is I'm just playing I'm playing what we had talked about pre-market. Break of the highs. Come back down. Test value area high. We tested it. I got in a little premature top of the range. Got long off that. That's the play that I was looking for. A little bit of buyers. Want to see some more buyers push through, obviously. It's a good close across the board. ES and NAS. I really would love to see this push into the 80s. Buyers looking good here. We just got to get through volume. ES needs to flip and pop kind of hard. I like to push into like 200 as well. 220. We'll see. That would be like a long side target in my opinion, if we ever get there. I obviously had a really nice push off the open, and since then just been kind of slowly kind of chopping to the downside. Nothing to really see or do as of right now. If we tap VWAP, I'm adding one. Got close. 6 points away, 7 points away. I got pretty freaking close to VWAP. Close enough for me. So I just went ahead and marketed it in. There's the true VWAP test. Down $1,500 right now. Getting heavy going into the close. Down $1,700. I want to see what this next minute does. It's been chopping around. So maybe we do get actually super heavy and it just flushes. But I'll wait and see what happens this next minute. 50 seconds left, I guess. Yes, pushing nicely. Wick test at 42 and at 26, I guess. Delta trying to stay up. Come back down for that top side test now of volume. Such a choppy day, man. It's unenjoyable to trade when these are the types of moves that we get. Where it's just like full retracing over and over and over again. Hopefully the afternoon provides a little bit cleaner movement or something. But this has just not been clean. ES trying to go to VWAP potentially. Nas trying to tick new lows here. I was given an opportunity to get out at break even. Even slightly green. I did not take that opportunity. Thought we were going to push harder out of it. Comes with the territory, I guess. Being a trader. You're always looking to maximize. Here's VWAP. I'm getting out of one just to provide myself a little bit of margin here. Yes, getting the bounce out of VWAP right now. Nas could be leading the way all day. Who knows? At the end of the day, we are just literally back in the range. Overnight lows, very far away. Not terribly far. 970, 100 points away. And I think that's definitely on the table. It'd be crazy to say it's not on the table. ES trying to get a bounce out of VWAP. Got a wick test at 33. Let's see if that plays out. I'm killing this trade. It's not it, man. It's not it. Had the right idea to start the day. Wrong idea with the stop loss. And wrong idea with the longs. Well, honestly, not a terrible idea with the longs on this first entry. But as soon as we got back inside the range, definitely should not have added, even on the VWAP test. And should have killed the trade knowing that we were ranging out. Pretty shit day of trading for me. I feel like shit too. So there's probably some serious correlation there.